Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today's Temu Tuesday, y'all. And today we have a really fat package. There's a lot up in here, y'all. So there's going to be some bag ruffling. There's nothing I can do about it. I got the safety glasses on. We're ready to rock and roll. So let's get this started. I think I have gotten some more price adjustments on some of this stuff. So I haven't just checked it, but I was like, I gotta get this done before I could get some free time, y'all. So let's get started. I'm gonna get everything out of the bag, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay. So a couple of things. Well, one thing. I thought I got multiples of more than one thing. So I only see one thing. It's the same. Oh, and I almost threw that arm out. Okay, we'll just get started with this since it's on the end. I'm going to put my pictures up there. Okay, for $7.79, this is 30 pieces. I'm going to put my picture, I think it's going to be up over there. I might as well get some out. You got stems, you got glitter poinsettias. That was one. This is one. They say they measure around 5 inches. I mean, technically they do. Technically they measure around 5.5 inches. But we don't want to get on me on that inch thing again this week. So we got glitter poinsettia. We got the holly berries. And we have the cloth poinsettia. The cloth with glitter on them. And I got the ones with no stem because they're going to be glued in. I'm going to make some Christmas swags. So I needed some more flowers. So I have no flowers. I mean, I have stems and picks, but no flowers for Christmas. I don't know. I guess I've used them all and don't have any more. But I went to Dollar Tree a few weeks back. I'm not even really for sure. But you get 30 pieces for $7.79. And I got, one second, y'all. Okay. They didn't have the little 1-foot trees, but that's okay. Because I got the 4-foot trees, and he's got like 140 tips. And these were $6 for the 4-foot. Now, it's not going to be a great tree for a tree, but since I'm going to make it a swag, a teardrop swag, everything's going to be pushed forward, so there's nothing. It's going to be flat on the back. So I got 3 whites and 3 greens, and this is what I'm waiting to make, y'all. Hold on. All right. For $6.09, I got 2 price adjustments, which made it $5.81. And I think I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. For I don't make anything off of that, y'all. I don't make anything. I pay for my own stuff. I'm not sponsored whatsoever. I link my carts for if y'all want anything, you can find it easy and fast. But I do not get nothing from Temu from doing it. I do it only because it helps y'all. We're going to put that back on. But because I know all these flowers are going on swags and not going to be needing the stems for them, I didn't buy any. I don't think it has stems that came with it. There might be some, I don't know. I thought I seen one. But I just need the heads. So I was going to rip the heads off anyway. These did come, however, with the little clips. If you want to put the clips on there and clip them onto your trees, they do have that. So, I mean, I have that if I want. This is a 20-piece set. You get 10 flowers and 10 clips. I hate when I do that, but... And again, it's the 5-inch flower. I think the picture I was seeing more of it, of that royal blue. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just thinking in my head. But, so I have 10 flowers there. 10 is enough to do a swag. So technically I can make a swag for every bag. say how much? Yeah, I did. $5.81. I'm going to do these. These are all, I bought 3 of these. Got red. The first one was red. This one is light blue. This is Don't Say. So I'll make sure I link it. Now you all know I link my pictures and all that stuff, and I will link it in the description box, and I'll pin it in the comments. And my code if you want coupons. Let's see, it's 24 pieces, so I get 12 pink flowers and 12 clips. So I got the little metal clips again. I like that. They come in little bags, so they ain't everywhere. These are, I think they're all exactly the same, just different colors. I think it's, I don't know if I got them the same seller or not. But this is a pink, a mauve pink, a dusty rose pink, if you're from the 90s. That's what this is. And I got 3 bags of that, and it's $5.24 for 24 pieces, 12 flowers and 12 cups. So I got 3 of those. And I also got the $4.81, and this really feels substantial. $4.81, and that same thing, dusty rose pink kind of color, mauve. It says pink, 15 pieces. These are the glitter stems. Ooh, I'm glittered up today. That's the only thing bad about Christmas. It is hard to find stuff that ain't glittered. Okay, just need some more refreshing. It's all twisted and bent over. This is wire here, but this is not wire. So you get, what are this? This is a little over 10.5 inches. Let me see. The actual fern flower stem part of it is 7 inches. So if that helps you. So what I say, how many pieces? 16 pieces, and they were $4.81. I might put that in one of my buckets, my coffee cans in the back, like this, until I use it. Got my little vacuum cleaner here. So I won't have an overload. I'm covered in it, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm so foolish. Today, okay, for $4.51, I got a price adjustment of 8 cents. And like I said, some of these I've gotten more price adjustments on. I just don't remember. So, same thing. These are red. 16 pieces. Alright, so I got some red flowers. $4.45. I got 3 price adjustments. So they're $3.14. And this is 12 pieces. This is a different one. Because I remember going back and saying, I don't want the clips. And I tried finding one with, and this is 5.5 inches also. And this is like a velvet flower with the glittered stems. I like the one with the flowers only. Because I don't care about the, I mean, yeah, I'm getting free stems. But no, this was 12. Did I say 12? 12 flowers. Yeah, 12 flowers. No stems, no clips. For $3.14. So this is the better of all of them, because you're not getting extra pieces and getting half of what you know. I read it. I knew I was getting half and half. But this is just flowers. So I got 12 flowers there, where these other bundles are just 10 flowers. I'm going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to do with these because I don't use them. Okay, for $5.86, I got a price adjustment, which knocked it down to $5.51. 10 clips, 10 flowers. There's no... Sorry, y'all. It's warm today, so I got the door open. So it's 10 flowers and 10 clips. And my clips are loose in here. So you just put that little thing on the bottom there. And you just clip it onto your tree. I mean, technically, I could do that and clip it on my swag, but this is a gold and a champagne, I think you want to call it. I'll get the information for y'all. Like I said, all of them is about 5.5 inches. And you get 10 flowers. The last one, which I wanted a bunch of different kinds of colors and stuff. This is rose gold, and I got 12 pieces, just the flowers. So I'm glad I got 2 of that kind, and the rest was the other kind. Right? Yep. Okay, for $3.44, because I guess rose gold is just not a big thing. And I want to make a rose gold swag. I don't have, oh wow, I want to make it. Because I don't have any ribbon. I'll have to find some ribbon. But isn't that pretty? And it's rose gold. Now I got the green end. Like I said, I'm just going to, that's a really pretty, hopefully y'all can see how pretty that flower is. Like I said, I'm going to link all my pictures like I always do. This is a very good deal. Because I went to Dollar Tree the other day, and they had their flower sitting outside, and the price had went up. I think it said $1.75, and I was like, dang, $1.75. I took my glasses off. $1.75. I was like, that. I'm telling y'all, Dollar Tree is gonna be Dollar General, just like them. You know, Family Dollar. It's gonna be the same kind of store, and everybody keeps complaining, you know, it's not $1 no more. Well, neither is Dollar General. It's just dollar is on their name, and the faster everybody gets that concept, you're gonna less stress out, y'all. It's just like walking in Dollar General. They still have stuff for $1, but Dollar Tree does not. So the flowers are $1.75, and you get 4. I don't think I even seen any that have 5 stems. So go to Walmart, go to Hobby Lobby. These are still cheap on Temu. Most stuff ain't cheap on Temu, so that's why I'm not buying clothing no more or stuff like that. Very rare. But that's my haul for today. I hope you liked it. I know I was a little sassy. Sorry about that. Yeah. I don't know when this is coming out. I'm lost my days here now. So it should be close to Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I love you and I appreciate you. And I hope you'll have a great and blessed weekend. Bye, y'all.